Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. Um, कल हमने जो एक्सरसाइज किया या कल या परसों में जो ACPs का रोड मैप के लिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप लोगों से बात करके बहुत मज़ा आया. I'm really excited to know that now everybody in the team is aiming something really big. But I found that somehow the roadmap exercise was something which was not done properly. So while making a calculator, I thought let me make a calculator of a roadmap. How easy can a person just input two numbers and he can get the entire roadmap in front of him without कि वो manual ना करना पड़े, and it should be totally automatic. So what I did was, and this is something which I also was not knowing, that while making the roadmap I'll get such a great results. um, till now we were saying that this game is all about future, this game is all about patience, this game is all about building your empire and cashing the result after 12 months. इसीलिए हम हमेशा बोलते थे कि आप 12 महीने बाद क्या कमाओगे. बट जब हम रोड मैप का मैं कैलकुलेटर बना रहा था, अगेन द रिजल्ट्स वर वेरी सरप्राइजिंग टू मी, that while building the empire in next 12 months you are earning such a great income. Because this was also not known to me also. Until I have not made this road map calculator, it was not known to me also. So I am 100% sure that everybody would not be knowing this, because everybody was like कि हम 12 महीने काम करेंगे, then only we are going to get the results. So I'll just share what I have found. Just hold on. So I think ACP goal setting was always easy for you. You have entered the population. You have entered, let's put some adequate number. Okay, let put an average population of 50,000 only. Almost everybody in our ACP team was saying that yes, 15-20 vendors is okay. One UPOS per partner is okay. 10,000 average commission is okay. So you have to do just this thing. Rest calculator will tell you the entire stuff, not only your roadmap, but how you are going to achieve good figures in income while building your empire. Just see this. We always used to say that ACP cannot earn good income in next 12 months. But see this, while making this calculator, I found this, that no, the income in 12 months is also really good. Like in this case, 57 lakh rupees will be earned in 12 months, and thereafter 11 lakh 56,000 every month. How it is derived? All you need to do is just add 5 partner in each month for 2 months only. आप 2 महीने में केवल 5-5 पार्टनर रिक्रूट करते हैं, उसके बाद जीरो है सब कुछ. जीरो. अगर आप ऐड करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, आप ऐड नहीं करते हैं तो कोई बात नहीं है. आपके टोटल पार्टनर हम मान के चल रहे हैं कि 10 ही होंगे 12 महीने में. आप यूपॉज अपने पार्टनर टीम के साथ, आपका पार्टनर अगर एक एक यूपॉज भी बेच रहा है महीने का, तो टोटल 115 यूपॉज बेच पाएंगे पूरे साल भर में. उसके ऊपर वो नंबर आए हैं. इसी तरह आपके वेंडर 180 हैं पूरे साल में. जो नंबर हमने उधर डाला वो बस यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो गया कि मंथ ऑन मंथ हमें कितने बनाने हैं. इसी तरह क्यूमुलेटिव वेंडर्स होते जाएंगे, क्योंकि एक्चुअली हम क्यूमुलेटिव की पावर आज तक नहीं देख रहे थे. हम हमेशा बोल रहे थे कि 12 महीने बाद यू विल गेट दिस, but we were not calculating the cumulative power of income. In fact, I have taken that we will not work on users for next 3 months. Then also this is the income, because I have kept population as 50,000. So we have thought that okay, we will cover 50% population in next 12 months. So now you have a very clear roadmap that month on month how many users you require, right? Now, we used to always tell this income as your 12-month income, the UPOS one-time income, which was 2,40,000. If you will go back to your old calculator of ACP, you will see this number is there. But we never used to add all these income, because this is the parallel income which will also start. So this was something new for me, that even while building the empire, while building your team, you will be earning such a great income. Now you see the income. You pause. Now they see, now you will also observe that this is how your monthly income will increase. Like in July you will earn only 30,000 rupees, but in August, because it will be cumulative, so you will be earning 74,000. In September it will be 1 lakh, so and so forth. But slowly and gradually you will reach 11 lakhs in 12 months, but cumulatively you would have earned 57 lakh rupees, which was not in my mind also, which was not in my mind also. So just see to it. Is calculator pay? Please work on this calculator. It is my humble request to state head, to MCPs, to CPs, to rework with your ACPs on this. This will not take more than 15 minutes, not more than 15 minutes. Even you put the disaster number again, 5%, only 5 vendors per month, even 0.2 UPOS per partner, which means partner selling only 1 UPOS in a 6 months time. एक पार्टनर आपका अगर 6 महीने में एक यूपॉस भी बेचता है, then also this is the income. You will be earning in 1 full year, you will be earning 9,24,000, but and thereafter your income will be 1.5 lakh rupees per month. With such a poor performance, such a poor performance will give you such a great result. And again, the roadmap is automatically derived. First month you will earn 7,000, second 17, 24, 36, 47, so and so forth. So slowly and gradually you would have earned 9,24,000 as an ACP. This is an income as an ACP, right? On such a poor performance. Such a poor performance is also giving you such a great sustainable income, right? So please practice this new calculator. I'll be sending this calculator along with this video. Please go through it. Ask your MCP if you still are not. I don't think so now you don't know how to do goal setting, because yesterday we have seen that everybody now knows how to do the goal setting. Only the problem was roadmap. So now here is an automatic roadmap calculator for you. So this will tell you how month on month you will achieve your milestone, and while achieving the milestone also you are getting such a great income. And I'm 100% sure nobody will recruit a partner who will sell only 1 UPOS in a 6 months, right? So even if that 1 UPOS is there, and on an average, yesterday I've seen there were people who were talking about 300, 500, even 3,000 vendors. I'm only asking for 180, and with among the population of 50,000, just calculate it on 50%. This is an adequate, moderate performance that I'm looking forward from an ACP. And this will give an ACP of 57 lakh rupees per month income. And thereafter 11 lakh 56,000 every month, and roadmap is given here. So this is now an automatic roadmap also, which will come to with you. And on the same performance, CP is also earning 30 lakh rupees every month, but while building this empire he would have earned 1 crore 71 lakhs. Again, his roadmap is also there. So I have prepared both the calculators. Actually I could not sleep last night because I was preparing all this, but this is really exciting. And even a CP is having only 2 such ACPs will also still he will be earning 34 lakh rupees and 6 lakh rupees as his monthly income. Even if he has 1 ACP under his belt, he can earn 17 lakh rupees as per month income, and in yearly income, and 3 lakh thereafter. So whatever you can think of, you can just input that number here and you will get the result and the roadmap for you, right? So I think it is self-explanatory, and you now are at that level that you can do it on yourself. Please do it today. Please invest this 5 minutes. Whatever I have done, it will take this much time only. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that's it. If you are not clear, please ask me. I will do it tomorrow. Sunday is free for me because today evening we'll finish all the ACPs and ACP goal settings. You have to use this. You have to use this because this is an eye opener for me. If this is an eye opener for me, because till date I used to say that your income in next 12 months would be only 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees. Whereas I could, while making this roadmap, I could see that it is a bigger income. Till date, I used to tell this income only, the UPOS one-time income. But parallelly, there are many income which will contribute and you will be earning this much. So isko I will appreciate all MCP, CP, state heads to please explain this to their ACP. It will not take more than 5-10 minutes, but it is quite easy now. It is totally automatic. Now you need not to keep your give your head into it. Just input few numbers. Just input number of partners you want. And if you are a person who wants, like yesterday I've seen that there people were talking about that they will recruit almost 60 people per team. Just think, just see, you can just edit the number of partners here, and this is the income. 90 lakh rupees while building the team, and thereafter 19 lakh 14,000 every month. And again, mind it guys, this is your ACP income, right? This is your ACP income. This is huge. I'm sending this to you. Please go through it. Any question? Tomorrow I am free. Please call me. Thank you.